Hey, Lynn here from Create Whimsy, and today we're going to make these cute little bird, little collages, and I like sending them as cards to people. So the first thing we're going to do is take watered down wallpaper paste, yes, and just kind of wet our base fabric real quickly. I found this tip from Cass Holmes, and I love it for little projects like this. It's just great. Then we're going to put down just a strip of fabric, whatever you like, kind of just to ground the little bird on this little piece. So we'll just put that down, just trim it, and it's about an inch wide. You know, this is what's so fun about these little collage pieces is you just play, and it doesn't matter if it's not exact. And we add another little layer of the wallpaper paste. And we cut the bird out. This was a scrap from a dress. So all of these are just using up my scraps of fabric. So the background linen was from a quilt. This was from a quilt. That's from a dress. Then we add the little belly. That was from a little quilt that I had made. It was a baby quilt, so it's such a fun little print. Then we add the wing. Oops, let's see. That's that little thread out of there. The nice part about using this wallpaper paste too, so you get a little thread in there or something, it all picks off when it's dry. And then I've cut a little triangle for his little beak. Let's see. Where do I want that little beak? I think I'm going to put the little beak like that. And you can tuck things under, like I am right now. There we go. Now we're just going to let that and sit and wait until that dries, and we'll add some little stitching and hand embroider on it. So look for more in just a minute.